Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, it's a continuation of the round, the Android development. So you see here, it's a Google Play console. And if your account is new and you are requesting for the app approval, then the first thing you have to do the close testing of your app. Okay, so you'll not be finding here. You directly go for the production. If you click here on the production, you'll find make your app ability for billion of the users. Production is where you publish your app. Now you see here, you don't have access to production yet. To learn what you need to do before you can apply for production, visit help center. So since this account is a new one, so after 2023, we have seen the requirement for publishing the Google Play to help developer to test their app, identify issues, get feedback, and ensure that everything is ready before the launch. So they have made some changes from the November 13, 2023, and now they will have to go within the testing, and the testing period basically it will be at least a 14 day continuously, and at least the minimum 12 tester who have been opted in for at least and the last for 14 continuously. Okay, so this is how you will be able to enable the production thing. So at least 12 developer you will be required to test this thing because this is a new account. So that is why you see your production is visible as of now. So for the testing, which one you will be able to you will be choosing. So close test is the one I have choose here. So this is basically the applicable in case of new account you have to go for. So release I have just uploaded two three times and country you see, and now you see the tester I have added here. So as of now I have just added seven. I am arranging the another five users because it's at least the 12 tester is required to opt in and for at least 14 days continuously. So you'll have to make sure they don't install before the 14 days. So that's why if things should be uh, aligned within the minimum requirement, then only your production things will be enabled. So this is all from this video. Thank you.